Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the position of the taskbar and place it at the top side of Windows 11 desktop. So for doing that, just simply click on your search box, then search registry, then simply open it as administrator. So after it is opened, just simply copy and paste this exact line over here which is given to you in the description below, and then when you are inside this place, just simply double click on settings. And now don't mess with any of the values over here besides the value 03. So just simply double click on the value 03 and enter 01. Then press OK. Now just simply restart the Windows Explorer just by going to start over here, Task Manager. Then just simply click on Windows Explorer and press restart. And as you can see, after the restart, the taskbar position has been changed. If you want to change it back to default, just simply again go back to setting, double click it and change the value to 03. Okay. Then again restart the Windows Explorer. And now it is back to normal. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.